Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your Rakuten credit card bill. The fastest way is to link your Rakuten card to your bank account online. Just make sure the account holder name matches your card. If the name don't match, you'll need to register using a bank application form. Complete it by the 10th of the month and automatic withdrawals will start the same month. You'll also get transfer forms by mail before the 27th, which you can use to pay at banks or convenience stores. For early repayment, contact the Rakuten Card Customer Service Center. Important note, Rakuten Pay can't be used for credit card bills, but you can earn Rakuten Super Points on regular purchases. And that's it. That's how to pay your Rakuten credit card bill. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.